Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make one of the famous and healthy Lebanese tabbouleh recipe. And here are the ingredients. Here I have 3 bunches of parsley, a piece of lemon, 4 pieces of tomatoes, half a slice of white onion, olive oil, 3 tablespoons of bulgur or cracked wheat, and spring onions, fresh mint, and half teaspoon of pepper and half teaspoon of salt. Now let's get started. And now let's prepare our parsley. Let's remove the stem part. This. And here's my lovely girl who wants to help me remove the stem.
Hi, hello.
Yeah.
We're done, Mom. Anything else to help?
Nope, lovely girl. Thanks for the help.
You're welcome.
Yeah. We're done. Now, let's wash and drain. Done washing our parsley. Now, on the clean towel, let's dry little bit our parsley. Spread them. Now let's spread and let it dry a little bit. And for the meantime, let's soak our bulgur or cracked wheat with hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Set aside. Now let's dry a little bit. Now once dry, and now it's ready to chop our parsley. Now let's chop our parsley finely. Now done chopping them, put them in the bowl, and let's cut our remaining ingredients. Before continue cutting, let's squeeze our bulgur. After 10 minutes, the bulgur became very soft. Squeeze it. Put it in an empty bowl. And then put aside. Now let's slice our spring onion. Slice it thin. Now done. Let's slice our onion. Slice it into small cubes. Now done, let's add them on the bowl. And now let's finely chop our fresh mint. Done chopping. Let's add also in the bowl. Now let's slice the tomato and remove the seeds. this. Now done. Removing the seeds. Now let's chop it finely. Cut into small cubes. Now done cutting. Let's add them also in the bowl. Let's add our soaked bulgur. Our pepper and salt. Squeeze our lemon. Done. Now let's add to our bowl. Add olive oil. Now all our ingredients are all in. Now let's mix it. One of the famous and healthy Lebanese tabbouleh recipe is ready to serve. So tasty. Ready to serve.